today we're going to teach you how to remember the Maine. Because if you don't, you'll forget it.
And it's a state.
It is a state. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Sorry. Derek, Brianna, Dan.
You're going to get it.
Yep.
By like the fifth one,
The Shulmers.
you're going to have it.
And Dan, we're going to make for you Remember the Maine. I haven't made this since like 2016 or so with Ian, and we was before the bar was here. It was the last time we built it.
Really? I've
So
never
maybe it
made
was-
this one.
It was probably even longer ago. So this drink, it's got history. We could talk about that in a minute because I took a screenshot of it. 2 ounces of rye, 3/4 ounce of sweet vermouth, a 1/2 ounce of cherry herring, a dash of absinthe, a lemon twist. A lemon twist for your garnish.
You're going to make me
And
something fancy.
I was going to do it twice, but we're not going to do that again. That was so painful. And we're going to do it with, I think, what worked out better for the last drink, which was the Martini and Rossi vermouth. You could go look at the other video. I'll link it down below for the Manhattan comparison of this and bourbon. But we're using some Bullet 95 rye, which is 46%, 46 times 2 proof.
92.
Frontier, 92
Wait, that's
proof.
Damn.
right?
No.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's almost like you're in school.
Isn't it 96? Nope, you're right. 92 proof. American straight rye whiskey. So it's got 95% rye. I
And then
believe that's
dosage, man.
if you followed any of our stuff on MGP and the place that makes a lot of different whiskeys, that's their basic flagship brand. The big difference between this and a Manhattan is the use of cherry herring and a slight, ever so slight, dash of absinthe. And this is going to give it a little herbal quality. Can you dump that and
I can dump that.
and then we can rinse it, and then we'll dump out the rinse because you don't want to have too much absinthe. This is a
Any
lot.
is too much.
Any absinthe is too much absinthe, so we'll throw that in there. You
Just a little bit.
Oh, look at it's luging. See how it turned white?
Ew.
That's because
That looks wrong among levels.
there's a little water in there, so it turned into its
Why do
white
you have all
absinthe.
these stirring drinks and Ian's not here? Oh, it's still a lot of
Ew.
pressure.
You want to dump that out?
Here, drink that.
I'll drink it.
That's actually so repulsive. It's crazy.
Why?
It's good for you.
Yeah, this is healthy
Black
stuff.
licorice.
Oh,
That's
you
good.
want a shot?
Oh, you have to do a shot. Welcome to the
No,
show.
I'll literally throw up. Like, I'm not kidding. I can't with black licorice.
Welcome
I
to
can't
the
even
show.
say it. Why are you doing it more of it? Oh, you smell like it now.
For shock and awe. See,
No one's shocked nor awed.
you look
Just
like you have a
gross.
lot of shocked and odd going on. That looked like odd. Oh, a lemon twist.
Lemon twist. Very nice.
That was lucid absinthe, by the way. You can tell by the kitty eyes. I almost dropped it again because this stickiness.
Nasty. I can see the dust on it. You just ate dust. You're
You
like
know-
a dust bunny.
I was perfectly happy
You're
until you
Eating
said
the
that.
dust.
You're nasty. I know why we have like Ian do
Oh,
all
look
these
at
things.
you.
See this?
See, look, he's
I
learning.
got it.
Putting his fingers all up on the lemon slice.
Yeah. Well, I mean,
I don't see the problem.
I don't see the problem.
how's that look?
Yeah, that's
Sexy. Remember the Maine.
Remember the
Because if
Maine.
you don't, you'll forget it.
Hands in Maine.
Where did you get Remember the Maine?
Like a lion.
What do you mean? You want to know the truth? ChatGPT.
No, well, back in the day you said you made it.
Oh, I don't remember. I was probably looking for drinks that were variations of a Manhattan. This one. Oh, by the way, oh fuck, what the fuck? Our Patreon, our
You're not
executive
gonna like
producers,
that.
our Patreon.
Oh, look, you got
subscribers,
another one.
Stephen Foisey, Peter Fastenau, and WT Fitz. We got to remember them and the Maine. Yes, so remember the Maine. This is how.
The exotic drinking book.
Oh my god, with the fucking mouse overs. This is from the exotic the what is it? The Gentleman's Companion
I'm a
to
big fan.
Volume
A curl of green
2,
lime or
being an
lemon
exotic
or
drinking
something.
book. This is how the recipe was written. It's a paragraph. You've got to like read all these words to know like what they're trying to say, and you just skip through all the weird hocus pocus. And then it says, take a tall bar glass and toss in 3 lumps of ice onto this
Oh.
fountain. Donate the following an order
Remember, you have to
given
take 4
on
sips.
jigger,
I'll take one more though.
one
You have to
jigger
do
It
of
that.
wasn't as
rye whiskey, half a jigger of
Still.
Italian vermouth, 1 to 2 teaspoons of cherry brandy is what they used to use back in the day, and then a half a teaspoon of absinthe, Pernod. They actually call it Pernod out. And then you have to stir clockwise in a clockwise fashion.
I did that.
I think you've
Briskly.
done enough.
Briskly.
Briskly.
It makes
Rapidly.
it makes it seagoing.
I'm telling you, this is like a one of
Shit, I need this book.
Presumably. Exclamation mark. Right?
Yep.
No, is that an L?
It makes it seagoing. Presumably.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Right.
hard because it's
Presumably.
Turns into a big chilled saucer champagne glass. Twist a curl of green lime or lemon peel over the top.
Are there yellow limes?
Green lime
Green
or
lime.
lemon peel.
Yeah, Dad had a yellow one.
Yeah, we called it Sprite. Or no, that one?
Yeah.
No, we called it lemon lime. I don't know what we
Oh,
call it.
real
What happened?
creative. I don't hate that one as much as the Manhattan.
How is that possible? Because you know
You can't
what?
really taste the black licorice too much. Oh,
Because, yeah, that's
to do that.
Yeah, but it's the
Cherry Heering makes anything taste good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't say good.
It's-
she didn't.
Well, you,
Watch your mouth.
you
No.
still have a you know
There's
you
some growing
have a
pains.
maturing palate.
Yeah.
You have some growing.
Yes, you have some growing.
Right.
It's one of your growth areas.
Right. I have many. Yeah.
This is why you can't excel yet.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
But once you taste this and you can sit down and watch a couple episodes of Star Trek with one of these, putting these
It's
back,
not bad.
that's when you know you've
It's-
made it as a drinker.
I could drink that.
So if you ordered at a restaurant, you drink it. You just wouldn't order it.
I would never pay for that. Ever, ever, ever.
Well, you don't
Ever,
know,
ever,
but
ever.
you don't know. Like you just
No.
ordered it.
I'll
you're
never like black licorice.
Oh, remember the Maine? And
If there was like half a little bit more of like a touch more of black licorice, it would immediately be like a spit out.
You really don't like it.
I don't like black licorice at all. I see no reason for it to exist. Or fennel.
it's a
So-
it has
Is
healing
it made out
properties.
of fennel?
That's
Fennel
a,
is-
like,
yeah.
It can
I
have healing
thought that
properties.
too,
So do medications.
but then I started eating some dishes with fennel.
You need to eat more fennel dishes.
Actually,
No.
not bad.
You gotta get the right flavors.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to get the right flavors together. I agree with you though. I can't drink like.
I like
Like a
the
black licorice jelly bean.
Nah. I mean, I can eat it. I don't really like it.
Oh, I used to like
Yeah.
the black licorice, the old like the twisty black licorice. The one where you peel off and you eat the.
Yeah.
Grandpa eats black licorice jelly beans.
Like I can't
The
do
big
like I
ones.
can't just like drink absinthe. Like
No.
like it doesn't. Well, no, it doesn't do anything for me.
I can't either.
Yeah. You're the odd one out here.
Well, so now you've explored 2 classic 1800s and 1900 level drinks.
It's
See?
a good drink.
Yeah, I think it's pretty tasty. It's got just a little bit of that
It has good
herbalness,
taste. There's
It's
levels.
cherry,
It's not just black
brown
licorice.
sugar,
It has good
vermouth,
taste.
It's like it's fine.
rye,
There's
little
levels.
musky
There's
rye
levels to
flavor. There's many tiers. It's like a
Yes.
tiramisu without any coffee sweetness or anything to do with tiramisu. It's just got all the layers.
It's like a parfait.
Yeah. This
But
is
less
just like a
soggy.
parfait.
Parfait's got layers.
Somehow.
This is not less
You could
soggy.
have went with a little cake.
Could have, but we didn't.
An onion.
Yeah. I guess
Yeah,
so.
onions have layers,
Yeah, onions
but
have
they're all
layers.
the same layers. That's the
Yes.
problem. Like tiramisu, at least you get a couple layers. Like
Well,
if
they
you
are
eat-
all just more onion.
yeah, if you eat a second layer of onion, it tastes like onion. When you get down to the bottom layer, it's still onion the whole time. The
Right.
onions all the way down.
It's about the layers. It's not about the taste and what's there.
Right. Okay. Fine. It's about the layers.
It's about the layers.
So there you go. Layers for you. What
Elephant-
else? Nothing else? What?
Elephants all the way down? Is that what it is?
No, it's
Turtles.
turtles.
Turtle. I'll get it one day.
Sidebar, more videos. Down below you can get a link to the Bartender Starter Kit, and I'll throw in another link to this specific book out on the site that scans them. It's some European site. I don't remember what it is.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So there you go. We're teaching you how to drink.
Every day.